Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if not receiving SMS messages on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, and go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. After click on app management, scroll down and search message app from here. After click on message app, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. So if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update and click on backup and reset phone and click on reset network setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix if not receiving SMS message on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.